and it's I guess it talks about somebody that is missing someone for Christmas, but I always see it as my victory song, because when I moved here from Germany in 1980, it was October, and it just started to get really wet and yucky over there. So when my first Christmas I spent here, I didn't buy any presents because it was too nice and sunny. I thought it was no Christmas spirit whatsoever. But Christmas Day we went in the water out in Waianae and had a camera with a little date on the bottom of the picture, and we're like this, and we sent the Christmas cards back to Germany and made everybody very, very jealous. So this is, and the ocean is my blue Christmas song. That's kind of what I think about when I sing this song. I'll have a blue Christmas without you. I'll be so blue just thinking about you. Decorations of red on a green Christmas tree, they don't mean a thing, dear, when you're not here with me. And when those blue heartaches start hurting, I'll have some blue memories for certain. You'll be doing alright with your Christmas of white, 'cause I'll have a blue Christmas. I'll have a blue Christmas without you. I'll be so blue just thinking about you. You'll be doing alright with your Christmas of white, but I'll have a blue Christmas. Oh Lord, and I'll have a blue Christmas. Very simple. My songs usually are the ones that I we're gonna chant them again.